You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Butch, are you ready for this one?
Am I ready for this?
Oh, by the way, hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and thanks for stopping by today, Butch and I. Do we appreciate it?
Boy, do we appreciate it, LPS.
Exactly,
Dave.
that's what I was hoping you would say.
Mm-hmm. More than you'll ever know.
More than you'll ever know.
Especially we're doing crazy stuff like this.
Yeah, we are on our ever-evolving series in special cotton candies, and today we have the Trinidad Scorpion Candy.
Now, this is hot.
They say the last one wasn't as hot as I thought it would be.
Mm-hmm.
But we will see. This is from Stung Tongue, like if you got stung by a bee. Actually, this one looks the darkest reddish of all the
it looks pretty nasty.
All right, so let's get some tools in here, my typical tools. We are just going to go right into crushing this up, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
So let's see. Here we go.
We're going to Stung Tongue smash it.
Now, last time I wore protective gear, and I didn't really need it. Because I wasn't really... Yeah, I know, we were. So we'll see. Maybe this is going to be my bite back.
Yes, the scorpion.
The one where I should have worn something.
Uh-huh.
All right, so I'm going to go right from there. I'm not going to touch it.
Big mouthful of that, LPS Dave.
Yeah.
Just shoot the whole packet.
I will
right
tell
down.
you, the other day I grabbed the cinnamon one and had a piece.
That still seems the hottest, doesn't
so
it?
far it's been the hottest. I'm going to take one less out. I don't think we need to spin that much. There are little flakes in this. Here, let me put one out here and bring it real close. You can see pepper flakes inside of the candy. Look at that.
Oh, that looks spicy.
It does look spicy. All right, here we go. Come here, buddy. You are now going in the bag.
Don't touch your eyeball.
I will not touch. I will not look. I will not eat. I will not do anything but
Smash!
there we go.
Ah, so satisfying.
Okay, there you go.
You showed that spicy candy who's boss, LPS Dave.
Now we transfer it to another vessel. Okay, here's the next vessel.
This is known as the vessel transfer step.
Ooh, wait a minute. I just got a whiff.
Uh-oh.
And it smells
teary?
spicy. I'll smell from the bag. I'll wafted in. Ooh, that smells good. Smells peppery. All right, let's bring in that machine and let's spin this one up and see what we get.
Oh, I hope it's spicy this time.
All right, Butch, cover those eyes, cover that mouth. It is time to spin. Okay. I think Butch is pretty clear there. All right, so here is our sugar bits.
Spicy pepper sugar bits.
All right, here we go. Chunks of pepper and chunks of stuff. And here we are, number one. And it comes out super fast.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. That means the machine is prepped and ready. We let it run for a good 2 to 5 minutes before we start.
Whichever comes first.
Ooh, look at that. What a beaut. You got some on your mustache.
That's for later.
Yeah, be careful. Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes.
That's impossible, LPS Dave.
To watch your own eyes? Okay, maybe if you look in the mirror.
Well, good point.
And don't close them.
It's a beauty.
Yeah, this is a nice looking ball of Cotton Candy-O.
Yes.
Made with Stung Tongue Pepper-O. Let's clean some of this up.
What do you call this one again? It's a scorpion?
This one is the Trinidad Scorpion.
Oh, yeah.
I say we dump another load in. What do you say? Dump another load in?
Let's make a giant Trinidad Scorpion.
Here we go. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Little chunks in there. Kind of excited to try this one. I've been enjoying their candy. Little pieces. I don't want to put a whole piece in.
Little bits at a time.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's starting to waft. I smell it, LPS
Do you?
Dave.
Nothing like a good waft, everybody.
Wafts are good.
All right, so we're going to spin this one out. We will come back and we will give this one a taste. That's probably one of the biggest ones we've made so far.
Beauty.
That smells so good. I can't wait. All right, Butch, I get to try the Trinidad Scorpion Candy Cotton Candy.
I have a...
All those candies in cottony.
I have a good feeling about this one, LPS-Dave.
All right, well, we'll see. I just wanted to show everybody one more time. There is the crushed version. It's now sticking together. There's a piece. Okay, there is our Trinidad Scorpion candy bag. And now I'm going to take a piece. Do you suggest a little bite or a big bite?
You know, last time it wasn't too bad. I'd go big bite.
You think so? A
I
big
just
bite.
Wolf the whole thing down one time.
Just right into my face.
right down in.
Okay, here we go.
Right down into your throat.
I'm a little nervous about this one. It smells hotter than the last one.
Smells a little hot. Don't be afraid, LPS-Dave.
Okay, I won't be afraid. I'm going to go right in, and I'm going to take a nice big...
Boy. Careful. Oh, boy.
It's good.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Good flavor.
Oh, my.
Okay. My mouth is searing hot.
Oh, that's hot.
All the way... Oh, wow. Ooh, hold on, let me have another
Oh,
piece.
boy. Don't get those tears on the camera lens, LPS-Dave.
Okay, that one competes, if not hotter than the cinnamon. Did you want to try a piece?
I would. Please.
All right. Here you go, buddy. Enjoy that. There you go.
Oh, boy.
Ooh, that's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
You got to give it a minute.
yeah, I would say that's the hottest one so far. But not too hot, you can't enjoy it.
It's hot and delicious.
I like it. And I like the flavor of the candy. It's almost like a cherry or something, watermelon, fruity, something.
It's like a sweet, yummy torture device.
I'd be able to finish this one off. All right, there you go, everybody. We did it. That is the Trinidad Scorpion. We have one more to go on the hot ones, and that is the Carolina Reaper.
You know, my tongue is stinging still, I have to say.
It is. It's going down my throat now, and all the way down is hot. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, because the next one will be hotter, we hope.
Even hotter.
Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.